I'm filming with a new camera today, so let me know what y'all think about this quality. Is it giving?
I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm
Y'all already know my favorite foundation of all time is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and that foundation now has a sister. I didn't even know that NARS was coming out with a new foundation. One of you told me on TikTok the other day, and I was searching for it in Sephora, could not find it. I guess I just needed to be patient because they sent it to me in PR. You know we gotta do a video on the new NARS Natural Matte Longwear Foundation. So let's get into it. We're gonna prime the face how I always do because if it works with my Natural Radiant, it should work with the Natural Matte Foundation. Fingers crossed. I'm gonna start with the Smashbox Primer Water. I know this has been discontinued. You can use whatever primer spray or even a setting spray for this step. So I'm going to spray this all over the face. Next, I'm going to use the NYX Plump Right Back primer. This primer I like to apply all over the skin like it's a moisturizer. It really helps to moisturize my skin, plump it up, as well as give it a nice tacky finish for the makeup to grip to. And this is the last primer I'll be using. I know some of you are probably like, girl, you doing too much, but trust me, it just gives a flawless AF finish. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer. I'm using this exclusively in my T-zone. I usually use one of 3 shades in the Natural Radiant Foundation. I typically mix Macau and New Caledonia, or I'll use Manus. It just depends on my shade for the year. NARS did send me 3 shades in the new Natural Matte Foundation. However, the darkest shade that they sent me is Alexandria, which I believe is a new shade. And so I would have typically reached for New Caledonia. So this may be too light for me, but we're still gonna try it out today. So here is the new Natural Matte Longwear Foundation from NARS, and here is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. As you can see, the Natural Matte Foundation has a more frosted glass to it, so it does look a lot lighter than the New Caledonia shade. Sometimes in frosted glass, it can look a lot lighter than it really is, so we'll just have to see. So let's see what the coverage is giving as soon as we pump it out. It looks about the same type of coverage as the Natural Matte Foundation. It's kind of runny on the hand. I'm just gonna dot a few on the side of my face. Okay, this color doesn't look too bad, but let's see once we blend her out what she's giving. I'm just priming my foundation on the back of my hand because this is a clean brush and I don't like using clean brushes for my makeup, but I mean, we have to use a brand new brush for this to get the best first impression. This is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush, by the way. Let's see how this is blending out. Okay, it's blending really nice. So she's giving the same type of coverage as the Natural Radiant Foundation. She does have a sheen going on. She doesn't feel as dewy. That's what we should expect from a more matte foundation. But yeah, it's blending really nice. The color match actually isn't bad, y'all. And if it oxidizes a bit, that will be perfect. This foundation reminds me more of a matte version of the light reflecting foundation. I feel like the formula is a little different than the Natural Radiant. It kind of smells like the light reflecting foundation as well. So here's what the foundation looks like once it kind of settles into the skin. You can see it has a nice matte finish. It still does have a bit of a sheen on the skin, so it's not super mattifying like some matte foundations out there. I would say this is more of like a soft matte vibe. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face makeup off camera. I'm just gonna do like my typical soft glam type of look so y'all can get a feel for the full look, and I'll be right back. So I finished the rest of my makeup. Everything turned out super flawless. The NARS Natural Matte Longwear Foundation definitely gets a thumbs up in my book. Go for the matte foundation if you have more oily combination skin. If your skin's more dry or combination, then you could go with the Natural Radiant Foundation. I have combination skin and I personally love both. If there's any other foundations out there that you would like me to test and do a full video on, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already watched my latest video, I did record a full talk through makeup tutorial, so definitely check that out next.